Okay, so let's first look at your 2 points that you gave me, and let's show that they are incorrect. So this is the x, this is the y, and I'll just do one of these. And if we put in 0 for x, we get 4 times 0 minus 8 equals 7. I'm plugging into this equation right there. 4 times 0 is 0, so that becomes minus 8 on the left-hand side equals 7. And minus 8 does not equal 7, so 0, 8 is not on the line. So your 2 points are incorrect. So now let's talk about how to find our 2 points. Let me rewrite this equation down. And one of the easiest ways to find 2 points is to first solve for y. So let's take this equation here and solve it for y. I'm going to add y to both sides because I like my y term to be positive. The y's cancel on the left-hand side. I get 4x equals y plus 7. I'll subtract 7 from both sides. I get 4x minus 7 equals y. So then what do we have? Y equals 4x minus 7. So then I would build a little t-chart. And you might remember a t-chart from previous math days where you pick out a couple of nice x values. I'm going to pick out 0 and, I don't know, 2. I'll put in 0. I get 4 times 0 minus 7, which is what? Minus 7. So one of my points I'm going to plot is 0 minus 7. I'll plug in 2. I get 4 times 2 minus 7, which is 8 minus 7, which is 1. So the other point I'm going to plot is 2, 1. So now I'm going to open up the tool here and show you how to plot it. Okay, so let's use this tool now. I like to enlarge my graph. And I'm going to grab my line tool. And I'm going to come down and find the point 0, negative 7. So down, down, and notice it shows the coordinates up there. 0, negative 7 is right there. And then 2, 1. 2, 1 is right there. And I'll click Save and check my answer, and well done. And then they want you to find the slope. And if I was going to find the slope, I would just go back and use the slope formula and not use the graph. So let's go back and use the slope formula now. And so we have our 2 points. Come on here. Oops, there we go. Every once in a while the software will let me get back up here. So let's find our slope. The slope is the difference in the y's over the difference in the x's. So we'll call this point y2, x2, y2. So the difference in the y's is going to be 1 minus a minus 7. Difference in the x's is going to be 2 minus 0. Minus a minus becomes plus. That becomes 1 plus 7 in the numerator over 2 in the denominator. 1 and 7 is 8, and 8 over 2 is 4. So the slope of this line is 4. Let's pull back up the tool there and type that in. The slope is 4. And good job. All right, hope that helps.